In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files from Microsoft OneDrive to Google Drive, detailing both manual and automated cloud migration options. We'll also cover the advantages, limitations, and important points to keep in mind to ensure you don't lose any of your valuable data during this process. Let's start with the manual method, which is free and quite straightforward. This approach is particularly effective if you're only dealing with a moderate number of files and folders. Firstly, you'll want to ensure you're signed into your OneDrive account. You can do this through either the web interface or the desktop application, whichever you find more convenient or familiar. Once you're in, the next step is to select the files or folders you want to transfer. Take your time to ensure you pick the right ones because this will save you from having to repeat any steps. With your selected files, go ahead and download them to your local computer. This is a key step, so make sure you have enough space on your hard drive to accommodate these files. You might notice that when you download folders, they could be zipped automatically for efficient transfer. Don't worry, this is completely normal. However, before moving forward, you'll need to unzip them. Doing so retains the original folder structure, which is crucial for maintaining organization and ease of access once you move your data to Google Drive. Now that your files are downloaded and organized, it's time to shift over to Google Drive. Sign into your Google Drive account using the web browser will be the most straightforward for this process. Before you upload, it might be helpful to create a dedicated folder to keep everything neat and easy to find. For instance, naming it OneDrive Migration can be a simple yet effective way to stay organized. Then, upload the files and folders you previously downloaded. Depending on the size of your files and the speed of your internet connection, this step might take some time, so be patient. Finally, once the upload is complete, don't forget to verify everything. Double-check that the files you plan to move are indeed present in your Google Drive and that nothing seems out of place or incorrect. This step is crucial to ensure data integrity and that all your files have made the journey successfully. By following these steps, you can efficiently transfer your files from Microsoft OneDrive to Google Drive manually without any cost involved. This method gives you full control over the transfer process, letting you choose precisely which files and folders need to be moved. And that wraps up the manual transfer process. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll explore automated options for cloud migration, which are particularly helpful when dealing with larger datasets or more complex requirements. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in your file transfer journey.